So let's open and see what Mark Green sent us.
Okay.
Hey Khiz, do you know who Mark Wiens is?
Yeah, he's a guy on YouTube that you watch.
Yeah, he has 8 to 9 million subscribers and he is a food YouTuber. And I love watching his videos.
I hope you're having an amazing day. It's Mark Wiens. You're having an amazing day. It's Mark Wiens. Everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. An amazing day. It's Mark Wiens. I'm in Dubai. That was extraordinary.
This was the email that Mark Wiens, send it to me.
Okay, he wrote, "Hi Azar, great to hear from you and thank you very much for your support. That's awesome that you love food and travel as well. Did you do those trips just one day after city after city? After another city after city? That's awesome. Yes, definitely. But would you like me to sign just a piece of paper?"
So you know what happened? I wanted him to sign something. I wanted his autograph, right? I'm thinking, okay, this is Mark Wiens. I'm reaching out to, I think back then, I don't know, he had maybe a few million subscribers. So I then came up with an idea to ask him to sign something. And we're going to check that out right now. This is the box that I got from Mark Wiens back in 2018. There's a date here. Came all the way from Thailand and came all the way to Center Beach, New York. Another piece of paper on top of this box that actually gives away what's inside of it.
Yeah.
What does it say?
Cap.
It's a cap.
A hat.
It's a hat.
Did he ship it?
Because I was emailing him, I'm thinking, I don't know back then if he had a big company, if he had people working for him. So I'm gonna guess that he shipped it. Let's open it up and see what the hat looks like.
Okay. There's a little piece of tape. Right. With instructions. We don't need instructions. It's just a hat. It's not like a Lego set. And that's the hat. That's he signed it.
Yeah, look. It's a Mark Wiens signed hat.
By the way, something I have to tell you guys is in the camera, the signing looks black or dark gray, but it's actually light gray.
It's pretty cool.
That's awesome. It has a chili on it.
Do you know why there's a chili on it?
Because he loves spicy foods. Mamma mia. Are we done?
1, 2, you gonna say?
Kaboo. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Probably came from Chile. Okay, that's probably a dad joke or a me joke.
Yeah, that's a Khiz joke.
Thank you, Mark Wiens, for this awesome signed hat.